Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a seller account. Now seller help you to sell your digital product. People across the world can make payments either in dollars or euro. You can convert into your local currency. So it's a very important site that if you want to be selling online, you must have an account here. You can see that they have all the countries. Nigeria is here, Europe, USA. So they can make payments from anywhere into your account direct from seller. So let's go. Let's create an account now. I'll click on start selling with seller. All right. So I'm going to put in my details here. Okay, I'll fill in my details. So I'll hit on create account. It said the username has already been taken, so let me quickly change that. Just wait for it to load. Alright, this is our dashboard. You can see. So in our next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your seller account. I don't want the video to be too long, so you can see that it's already tell you add product. Very easy to make use.